Now let's study how nutrition takes place in ruminants, that are your grass eating animals. Now, the animals that can digest their food by the process of rumination are called as ruminants. For example, cow and goat. Now, let's talk about the process of rumination. Cows and some grass eating animals like goat can swallow large amount of food at the time and bring that back the swallowed food into their mouth again and chew it again for a longer period of time. This process is called as rumination. And the animals which can digest cellulose and by the process of rumination are called as ruminants. Now, the digestion in the ruminants take place in the stomach. As you can see in the picture, the stomach of the ruminants is four chambered. The four chambers are first ruminant, second reticulum, third omasum, and third epimasum. These are the four chambers in which the food is being digested. Now let's talk about the four chambers. First, the ruminant. It is the first and the largest chamber which stores large quantity of food that is quickly consumed. The food here is partially digested, that is called as good. That means the partially digested food in ruminants is called as good. Cellulose is digested in the ruminant by the billions of bacteria present here. Next, the food from the ruminant enter the reticulum. It is the second chamber into which food enters from ruminant. Here the contents of the both ruminant and reticulum mix freely. The good here is brought back to the mouth and the rechewed and reswallowed. Now the food from reticulum passes to omasum. It is the third and the smallest chamber of the stomach into which food passes after chewing. Excess of food is absorbed from the food here. Now, after the third chamber, the food passes to the fourth chamber, that is epimasum. It is the last chamber of the stomach into which the food enters. The walls of the omasum secretes digestive juices that help in digestion process to complete it. After the digestion is completed, the process of absorption take place, as we have already discussed this above. Now, the absorption means that the digested food is being transferred to all parts of the body to get energy for the growth and for doing other activities. This is how the nutrition in ruminants take place.